Software can pass every technical check and still deliver the wrong product. The code works, but the human intent was never made explicit. IntentTrials turns that ambiguity into evidence-backed, human-locked intent. GPT-5.6, Codex, isolated Git worktrees, and deterministic browser evidence form the pipeline. Here is the working product in its disclosed deterministic demo mode. We start from a short request. Add a simple way to share a saved client report. It sounds clear, but it hides product decisions. GPT 5.6 is used in the real pipeline to compile ambiguous language into strict, validated decision axes. For this request, IntentTrials exposes who may open the report and when access expires. Codex then builds isolated interpretations in separate Git worktrees, each with bounded permissions and commit provenance, a public link, a controlled invitation, and an expiring link. No branch is silently chosen. Each variant is inspected through deterministic playwright probes, screenshots, accessibility checks, hashes, and execution receipts. Here, the G5 evidence gate reports 42 passes, 0 failures, and 0 unavailable required checks. The model cannot override that evidence. Now, the authority returns to the human. I compare the observable consequences, choose invitation-only access, and record why. Client sharing should remain controlled and limited to explicitly authorized collaborators. For the second axis, I choose 7-day expiration. Temporary access reduces stale exposure while giving collaborators enough time to review the report. These are not vague preferences. They become acceptance criteria tied to evidence. Codex accelerated the build itself as well. It helped scaffold typed contracts, implement the orchestrator, isolate variants, return failed verification to the same thread, and expand regression tests. GPT 5.6 handled the reasoning-heavy ambiguity and implementation workflows. Deterministic code remained the final authority for gates. When I lock the decision, IntentTrials creates a tamper-evident intent lock, selected options, rejected alternatives, rationale, evidence fingerprints, base commit, acceptance criteria, and 2 protected tests. The lock is human-authored, validated, and read-only. After refresh, the same approved intent remains. This recorded demo uses disclosed fixture mode for reliable judging. The real AI workflow is documented in the repository. AI moves fast, human intent stays in charge. IntentTrials.